In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link one Monday.com board to another and display connected information clearly. To get started, open the Monday.com board where you want the connection to appear. This is the main board you'll be working from, so make sure you're in the right place before making any changes. Board connections are especially useful when you want related information to stay organized across multiple workflows without manually copying details from one board to another. Once you're inside the correct board, add a Connect Boards column. This column is what allows Monday.com to create a relationship between items on your current board and items on a different board. Usually you can do this by clicking the option to add a new column and then selecting Connect Boards from the available column types. Take a moment here to name the column something clear and practical so it's easy to recognize later. After that, choose the board you want to connect to. Monday.com will prompt you to select the other board that contains the data or records you want to link. Be careful to choose the correct one, especially if you have several boards with similar names. The goal here is to make sure the connection points to the board that holds the information you actually need. Next, select the matching item or record from the other board. This is where you connect a specific item on your current board to the related item in the second board. Think of this as pairing two records that belong together. Choosing the right match is important because any mirrored information later will come from this connected item. If you want to display data from the connected board directly on your current board, add a mirror column. The mirror column lets you pull in information from the linked board without duplicating it manually. This is especially helpful when you want team members to see key details at a glance while keeping the source information maintained in one place. Once the mirror column has been added, choose the fields you want to mirror. For example, you might want to show a status, a date, a person assignment, or another important field from the connected board. Select only the fields that are actually helpful for your workflow so the board stays clean and easy to read. Finally, save your setup and check that the board connection works correctly. Confirm that the linked item appears as expected and that the mirrored fields display the right information. It's a good idea to click through the connection once more to verify everything is syncing properly. When done correctly, this setup can save time, reduce errors, and make your boards much easier to manage.